In terms of appearance, every detail you see has been designed from an aerodynamic perspective. Its most striking feature is said to have a larger and more prominent front scoop than the normal version. Reaching a speed of 250 km per hour, this detail can produce 45 kilograms more downforce than the normal version. There are 2 more openings on the front cover of the car compared to the normal version. It connects to the air duct in the middle of the front bumper to provide heat. 3 additional vents were added to the tops of the front and rear fenders to release turbulence created by the wheels. The most striking thing when viewed from the rear is the large fixed rear wing, and the shape of the entire rear of the car has also been redesigned, with a lower diffuser, additional air ducts on both sides of the rear bumper and additional air ducts on both sides of the rear bumper. There are also 2 new air vents on the bonnet. There is an entrance. After various exterior design upgrades designed for aerodynamics, the SF90XX can produce a total downforce of 530 kilograms at a speed of 250 km per hour. In addition to aerodynamics, Ferrari also adjusted the SF90XX's shock absorber spring weight and shortened its length, making the vehicle's center of gravity lower and its limit higher than the ordinary SF90. The power section is still the SF90's 4.0-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, mated to a 3-motor hybrid system, but it's been completely upgraded on this basis to unlock the last bit of potential the engine bay has. Intake and exhaust sections have been polished and a redesigned piston and a specially machined combustion chamber have been used to allow air to flow into the engine faster. The heat dissipation section has also been redesigned to cope with track conditions and the vehicle's peak power. It brings the total horsepower to 1029 horsepower, and a special mode has been added to the engine section, similar to the heat over boost mode A of a turbine engine. In this mode, the output torque of the 3 motors will be larger, helping the driver accelerate faster when cornering. In terms of interior, as a track version, the SF90XX does not abandon the regular interior in search of extreme lightness like some cars. A large amount of Alcantara material is added throughout the car. The most notable carbon fiber interior is the 2 carbon fiber integrated seats. This seat is also currently the lightest Ferrari seat. Thanks to the car's V8 engine, power battery and various powerful lightness improvements, even with 3 motors, the convertible Stradale model weighs only 1570 kilograms, while the convertible Spider model weighs 1660 kilograms.